Back with Luis Watts, 108. Going to try 2 of these 13 Playbook. Pick box 6 and 2. Starting off with CPAT Jumbo Jersey, $1.99. Jersey, Jumbo Jersey. There we go. Next, Joseph Randall, $2.71. Jersey, patch autograph. There you go. What was that number 2? Oh yeah, 200 in the middle. And 99, Connor Vernon. Connor Vernon. And the last one from this box, Sydney. 23 of 25, Sydney Rice. Pretty cool. Megatron's going to play. Shocking news. He's always questionable, and he always plays. 99.9% of the time, Calvin's questionable. Calvin plays.
What they're like, hey man, you gonna play today? Yeah, I don't know. Be questionable.
All week long he stays that way. Will he play or won't he? He was limited on practice on Wednesday. And every game, he comes out and plays. Number 49, Marquise Goodwin. Oh, I forgot about that, Swaggy. You did get 2 Eagle heads yesterday, 2 Dolphins today. Each time you get a break of Immaculate, you're going to start hitting the whole division. Mammoth rookie, Ryan Nassib, 53 of 99. There you go. Mike Glennon, 199 jersey, Jumbo Jersey. There you go. And the last one of it all will be, that's pretty good, Tavon Austin. I think he had like, what, an 80-yard touchdown last week from end around? I don't know. Tavon, rookie, the gold version, number to 49. There you go. That'll do it there, Watts. Luis, thanks as always, man.